Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of e-learning. I just wanted to go through a couple of things about what you're going to be doing. You're always going to want to come to this title page that says week 1 or week 2. That's where my weekly videos are going to be, or any messages you need to see. It's empty now because I'm posting the video on there. This week in ELA, just click there. You are going to be taking a reading survey and then doing an author project where you choose an author. You can pick your favorite author, or you have a list off to the side of who you may be able to pick. You're going to go to Google Slides. And just in case any link that I post on my page doesn't work, over here to the right, you're going to see backup links. So just in case something doesn't work, like a reading survey, this didn't show up on your PowerSchool, you'd have the link over here to the side. So here's the Google Slides link. And this is my example, and you'll notice I only use slide number 1. And then all of these are the same, all about, and then the word by, where you're going to put your name. As you can see, you can change it, change the color, change the font. You are only going to write on your number. So you're going to do one slide today. There is a list on PowerSchool showing you what your number is right there. So if you don't know what your number is, go ahead and look at this list. And if you are number 8, so that's Desiree. Desiree, if you are number 8, then you are going to come to the slides, scroll down, number 8, and that's where our project is going to go, only on this slide. So that way we can look at each other. So that's something we're practicing today to see if we can get used to doing projects or things that we want to post that everyone can see. So this is going to be our first time doing that. So just do what you can and play around with it. For math this week, you will be watching a very fun and goofy video that's going to talk a little bit about misconceptions or things that people believe that aren't necessarily true about math. Once you're done, you're going to participate in a discussion, and then watch video 2, which is a lesson on patterns and how we can look at pictures and be able to know how many of the symbol is on the page without actually counting them. So go ahead and watch this second video, and then you're going to come and click on this assignment where you're going to create your own Google drawing and make a pattern. Here's my example. And just in case my example doesn't show up, don't forget to come up here, backup links. There's the math video 1 backup link, and here is a backup link to my example. So make sure you're always kind of checking up here to see if that'll help you get where you need to go. For science and social studies this week, go ahead and keep your paper airplane off to the side until we can get that contest the way we need it to go. We're going to go ahead and put a pause button on that and continue to learn and start our lessons about the moon. So you're going to go here, read through EPIC. The EPIC code is posted on PowerSchool. You're going to take the quiz after you're reading, and you can go back and forth like this between the book and the quiz. So I think everyone should get an A because you're allowed to go back and check your reading. You're going to watch both videos and then participate in a discussion. And then here, this is a document that everyone's going to have access to, what we have learned about the moon so far. You can do your own research. You can use the facts that you learned from your reading. You can use the facts that you learned from the video. And just write as many as you can. If you just want to write 1, that's okay. That's the minimum amount. Put your name on it, and we'll all be able to see it. We're going to add to that list over the next month or so as we start to look over moon phases, and more about that to come. And here are the backup links right here. Phases of the moon, the video, and the Google Doc that you need access to right there. And then don't forget to do your daily journal. You'll also notice in math there's Dreambox for you to complete. And don't forget to hit student discussions. And you're going to hit new post and start your post today. I have written you all back from the weekend, so you should be good to go and have something to respond to. And keep in mind that our days are to be meant practicing with technology more than anything else. So take your time. I purposely made sure that these didn't take as long as our normal lessons would take, just so you would have as much time as possible to get used to how to use some of these apps. So if you have any questions, go ahead and keep messaging me. Shout out to Destiny, who sent me a message asking me about Epic through Clever the other day. Nice job. That is posted. And let me know if you need anything. We will see you at Zoom at 2:40 p.m. today. Thank you.